MyMAO, we are putting in an address and Google's going to fill in the rest. You see, you have the street view here where you can check out the neighborhood, confirm the property, and this just focuses on you providing two major inputs, the condition and the market and where it's located, right? So that number, this offer range changes based on if it's in a rural area versus if it's inner city. That offer can go higher. And maybe it's not as in bad a shape as the seller said. Um, the offer range came in between 83,000 and 91. We actually got this property under contract in the 90s and sold it in the low 100s, pulled in the comps. It calculated the offer range. You have all the information you need over here on the right side to write up an offer, including the parcel number and legal description, details about the home. But you see what I didn't do? I didn't have to pull a bunch of comps or fill out a bunch of fields that I don't understand about the cash buyer and the margin that they're making. Two inputs produces one range, one number that you can defend. So go ahead, run one yourself, and the calculator is right below this video.